Nagpamalas ng come from behind win ang ating pambansang koponang Philippine Azkals nang talunin kagabi ang matinding koponan ng North Korea sa pagtatapos ng kanilang 2018 FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Makitaymat muna tayo kay Mav Gonzalez.
Pinatoob ng Philippine Azkals ang North Korea sa pagtatapos ng kanilang 2018 FIFA World Cup qualifiers sa score na 3-2. Patapos na ang laro kagabi sa Rizal Memorial Football Stadium nang masungkit ng Azkals ang dalawang sunod na goal kontra sa Asian football powerhouse. Bago magtapos ang first half, nakuha ni Misa Bahaduran para sa Pilipinas ang unang goal, pero mabilis itong nasagot ng North Korea. Nagtapos ang first half na may tig-isang goal ang dalawang koponan. Pagdating ng second half, nakascore agad si Ri Hyok Chol para iangat ang North Korea 2-1. Dito na ipinasok ang veteranong si James Young Husband na matagal na ring hindi nakapaglaro para sa Azkals.
He was more dangerous. He created more opportunities. He was a very physical, what I haven't seen in the past. So it helped us actually give us a second win.
Sa pinatinding opensa ng Azkals, nagkasunod ang goals ni Manny Ot at Ian Ramsey sa 84th at 90th minute. Natapos ang laban sa score na 3-2 para sa Pilipinas. Nasa third place ngayon sa Group H ang Azkals. Kung mananatili sila sa third place, depende sa resulta ng laro ng Bahrain at Uzbekistan, pasok sila sa AFC Cup third round. Masayang-masaya si James na naging bahagi siya ng pagkapanalong ito laban sa North Korea na dati nang nakapaglaro sa FIFA World Cup.
I'm really happy to be back with the team and hanging out with the boys again.
Ito naman na ang huling laro ni Wani Guerrado na magre-retiro bilang Azkal.
It's amazing. Today the game was, everybody knows, more special for me.
Before the game, we were talking to each other if I can score a goal for him, and I did it.
No one lost hope, and we had a good comeback. Everyone was fighting, so I think we deserved that win, and everyone was eager to win. And especially, I'm so happy for Juani for his last game that he can retire now with a win.
Mav Gonzalez, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.